Students, in today's EVS2 video, we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 6. The name of chapter is The Oath of Swarajya. Students, do you know what means oath? Oath means promise. Shivaji Maharaj had took oath of Swarajya. Where he took this promise or where he took this oath? For what reason? That we are going to see in this chapter. First point of this chapter is the temple at Raireshwar. To the southwest of Pune, there is a beauty spot. Beauty spot means beautiful place called Raireshwar. This Raireshwar, it is famous for its temple. Students, you can see here the map of Maharashtra state. It is given. In that you can see Pune district. And to the southwest of Pune, there is the beauty spot called Raireshwar, and it is famous for its temple. Students, there are four main directions, which are that's north, south, west, east, and other four sub directions. They are southwest, northwest, northeast, and southeast. Now to the southwest of Pune, what is there? Raireshwar place is there. It is famous for its temple. In the year 1645, an extraordinary event took place there. Extraordinary means remarkable, means never you will forget like this. One event took place there. There means where? At Raireshwar. Shivaji and a few Maulas from the neighboring valley had gathered here. Why had they come to this lovely spot hidden in the deep forest? Students, this place, Raireshwar, this place is hidden in a deep forest. Why? What did they discuss and what favor did they ask of Lord Shiva? Favor means what? Approval. Means what did Shivaji and his friends discuss and what favor, approval did they ask of Lord Shiva? Now students, at the place of Raireshwar, what is there? There is a temple of Lord Shiva. And there Shivaji and his friends gather. Valley means what, see student? A low area of land between hills or mountains. You can see a picture, student. Low area in middle you can see between the mountains or hills. Next point we are going to see, that is the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Now fiery means what? Strong feelings. Showing strong feelings like this eloquence. Eloquence means speech of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was still quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. He opened his mind to his playmates. Playmates means who? Friends, and said, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time." Shivaji Maharaj was still quite young, but his mind was already busy in planning big things. And now he is telling to his playmates that, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk about what is in my mind for a long time." What did Shivaji say to his friends? See? He said, "My father Shahaji Raje is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. It is he who has given me the charge of the Jagir." Now this Jagir means what? Pune Jagir. Pune land. This Pune land was given to Shivaji by whom? Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje had made him in charge, or he has given charge of the Pune Jagir. Everything is going on well and peacefully, but I am not happy. Like this Shivaji said to his playmates. Though Shahaji Raje had given charge of Pune Jagir to Shivaji Raje, then also Shivaji Maharaj is telling, "I am not happy. Must we always remain satisfied as boundmen of the Sultan?" What Shivaji is telling to his friend, we should remain boundmen of the Sultan. Now, boundmen means what? Boundmen means who? Slave. Slave means, students, gulam in Marathi. Or you can say men who do agreement with legal force. Legal, that person is forced to work for any person. That person is called slave. And Shivaji is saying to his friend, why we should remain bondmen of the Sultan? Is why we will work for the Sultan? Must we always eat out of the other people's hand? Eat out means eat at somebody else's home. Shivaji is telling, must we always eat out of other people's hand? Means in other people's home we should eat. Means if you are working for Sultan, you will live there only nearby their places, and you have to eat what they give. This Shivaji don't like. He said that we are surrounded on all sides by foreign kingdoms which are constantly at war. Which are these foreign kingdoms? See, Adil Shahi kingdom, Nizam Shahi kingdom, and Mughal emperor's kingdom. These are the foreign kingdoms, and they are at constantly war. Means anytime they can attack on us. The situation was there. Our people get killed for nothing during these wars, and family after family get uprooted. Uprooted means destroyed, means our people were killed in the wars, and family after family get destroyed. Our country suffered destruction, means loss. Our country's loss was there. And what do we get out of all this? Shivaji is asking to his friend, out of this what we get? Nothing but slavery. Slavery means gulamgiri, means simply we have to work for other, and we are forced to work for other. That is called slavery. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? Means how much long we should tolerate this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Others means for Sultan. Means how long shall we should continue to tolerate this, and how shall long we should lay down our lives for this Sultan? Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of small watan? It's only for watan. Watan means land. Means Shivaji is telling slavery we should tolerate for sake of watan, means we are getting some watan, land. For that reason we should tolerate this slavery. What have you to say about all this? Shivaji is asking to his playmates what? Question. What have you to say about all this? He is asking to his friends. What is your opinion about all this situation? Like this Shivaji is asking to his friends. Shivaji was speaking with great emotion and his face was red with anger. In the middle of his speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. Companions means who? Partner or colleague. The young Maulas gathered there in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. Sanctum means a holy place, and thrilled means happy. Means the young Maulas gathered in the inner sanctum were thrilled by the speech of Shivaji. They had seen a new vision. New vision means new picture, image they saw. One of them said, "Our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. We are prepared." We are anxious. Anxious means what? Very eager to do your bidding. Now bidding means what? Command or order. Maulas are telling that we are very eager to listen to you. What is your order that we are going to follow? And for that we are very eager. Yes, Raje, they all said with one voice, we are with you. We shall do whatever you say at the cost of our lives if need be. Whatever Shivaji said, for that these Maulas are saying what? Yes, Raje, we are with you and we are ready to give our lives for your work. Students, you can see the discussion between Shivaji and Maulas. It is going on in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar. Means where this discussion is going on? In the temple of Lord Shiva, which is at Raireshwar. Next point we are going to see, that is the oath of Swarajya. Shivaji got fresh inspiration. Inspiration means what? A sudden good idea. From who he got sudden idea? From the words of Maulas. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear." Shivaji said to his friend what? Our way is clear. We shall all strive to attain our ideal. Here strive means what? To try, and ideal means goal. Means what was the ideal goal of Shivaji? To establish Swarajya. So Shivaji is telling to his Maulas that we shall all strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved. Means up to they will achieve their goal or ideal to establish Swarajya. They will try, keep on trying. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindvi Swarajya. What Shiva is telling, all should be ready to sacrifice, means give their life for the ideal of Swarajya. Which is ideal? Hindvi Swarajya. Hindvi Swarajya means, I told what is the meaning of Hindvi Swarajya. Hindvi Swarajya means independent kingdom established by Shivaji Maharaj in Maharashtra. We will have our own Rajya, yours and mine and everybody's. We refuse to live as slaves anymore. Means what she was telling, there should be our own Rajya. And we should refuse, means reject, to live slaves anymore. Means we should not be a slave of others. Let us take this oath with Lord Raireshwar as witness. We give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Rajya, that is Swarajya. Here Lord Raireshwar means who? Lord Shiva. Shivaji is going to take oath in the temple of Lord Shiva, that is Lord Raireshwar. So he is telling what? Let us take the oath with Lord Raireshwar as witness. Means Lord Raireshwar will be witness of the oath, and we will give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Rajya, like this Shivaji is telling. The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. Echoed means what? A sound caused by the reflection of the sound waves. Student, there are some places, for example, if you see at Mahabaleshwar, there is one point is there. If you say any word, that word sound is repeated. That only repeating of the sound, that only it is called echoed. The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. Which words? See, God thinks that this kingdom should take shape as Hindvi Swarajya. We shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. Shivaji is telling what? That God also thinks that this kingdom is whatever Shivaji has started to establish Swarajya. That kingdom will take shape as a Hindvi Swarajya. And Shivaji is telling what? We shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. Means we should try to complete the wish of God, like this Shivaji is telling to his Maulas. So the Maulas left the temple committed to the oath of freedom of Swarajya. Committed means what? Promised to do something. Shivaji took oath of Swarajya in temple of Raireshwar, and Maulas committed means they promised to help to Shivaji in his work. The mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. Means Shivaji was very happy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to the Lal Mahal to see his mother. He described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. Overjoyed, Jizabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. Overjoyed means extremely happy. Accomplish means achieve. And satisfaction means fulfillment of one's wishes. When Shivaji told about the oath to Jijamata, that time Jijamata was very happy. And she thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish. Means Shivaji would complete her wish, which was always in her mind. Today's homework, which points today I have taught you, that points you read from textbook. Thank you.